Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways to connect a Bluetooth soundbar to your Xbox. This is going to work out for both your Xbox Series X or the Xbox Series S and even your Xbox One. And yes, you must not get a Bluetooth adapter or a cable for you to be able to connect your Xbox console to your Bluetooth soundbar. And so for the first method, we are going to be using the remote play feature on our Xbox as a workaround. For this, what you need to do is to navigate to the settings of your Xbox at the top right hand side over here, and then from the settings you want to scroll all the way down to the devices and connection settings. From over here, select that and then come over to where we have remote features, select that as well, and then make sure that enable remote features is turned on. If yours is not turned on, you want to just click on the check button over there, and you might as well be required to go through a connection test. After the connection test, the remote play feature will be enabled. For some persons, you will be required to also set your power options to sleep. If yours is not set to sleep already, you can exit this entire page, go over to the general settings at the top over here, then to power options, and make sure your power options is actually set to sleep. As soon as you do all of this, you're good to go. Finally, you want to go ahead and get your phone and then navigate to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store, then download the official Xbox app into your phone. You can see the app over here. Just make sure you select on it and download and install it into your iPhone or Android phone. Open it up directly from here once you have it, and you will as well be required to sign into the same account that is signed in on your Xbox console. In my case, I'll click on sign in from over here, then sign into my account. Now I am signed in. You want to click on let's go, click on next, and you're good to go. Now that we are now signed into our Xbox account on the Xbox app, if you tap on the phone icon on the top right hand side from over here, and then select your Xbox console, which will be shown from over here, then the remote play feature, which is at the top right hand side over here, you're going to see that the remote play feature has been moved to the web. And so whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone, you want to go ahead and open up any browser of your choice, preferably the Google Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge browser. And from the browser, you just want to type xbox.com/remote play. Give it a couple of seconds to sign into the official remote play on the web, and you should actually be taken to a page for you to select your console. But if you get to this page instead, all you just have to do is to sign into your Xbox account again from the web. So just click on sign in to finish setup, then proceed to sign into your account from over here again. Now the page is going to load again, or you can just go ahead and type the xbox.com/remote play again. I'll go ahead and type it, open it up, and this time you'll be required to select your console. So this is my console. I will select on it, and now the remote play feature will start working on your phone. As you can see, this is my Xbox Series S showing on my screen from over here. At this point, you basically just want to connect your phone directly to your soundbar. So you can go over to the top notification center on your phone and then just go ahead and toggle on Bluetooth if it is turned off. Then go over to the Bluetooth settings, go ahead and make sure your phone is searching for available devices, and also put your soundbar on pairing mode as well. I'll go ahead and turn on mine. Your phone should be able to find it from over here. You can see my Hisense soundbar just at the bottom. I'll go ahead and select on it. Give it a couple of seconds to connect. Now it has connected. So you can now go back to the remote play, reconnect back to it, select your console. And at this point, all of the audio and sound will start coming from my soundbar without any issue. Just to show you that this works, I'll go ahead and try playing a game, then put the mic on my soundbar from over here. Now for the second method, if your Xbox console is connected to maybe a TV or a monitor that supports Bluetooth, then you can simply just connect your Bluetooth soundbar directly to the TV or monitor. For this, you would actually need your TV's remote control. Navigate to the settings or menu of the TV directly from here, and then you want to locate the Bluetooth settings. Most times it should be under the connection or connectivity settings, but in my case it is under the more system settings from over here. Select on it and then go over to your Bluetooth settings. Mine is under the remote and accessories option from over here. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your device, and your TV or monitor will start searching for available device to connect to. At this point, you also want to make sure that your Bluetooth soundbar is on pairing mode so that the TV can find it. Then you can select on it just like so. Give it a couple of seconds and then click on pair. That way you should also be able to get all of the audio from your Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S or even your Xbox One directly into your Bluetooth soundbar without any issue. The final solution is to get Bluetooth adapters like this, specifically made for your Xbox console, and it works on literally any Xbox console. Now there are different brands that produces adapters like this. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description of this video where you can actually get one. Now for some of these adapters, you can directly just connect it to the 3.5mm headphone jack port on your Xbox controller, put it on pairing mode, and then put your soundbar on pairing mode as well, and they should automatically connect. And if this video was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.